Good morning, Rolling Ridge. Buenos dias. My name is Miss Yvette, and my name is Miss Yvonne. This is your WRRD News Show, Twinning Tuesday edition. Today is Tuesday, March 16th, 2021. Hoy día es martes 16 de marzo del 2021. Please pause for a minute of silence. Now, please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance by placing your right hand on your chest. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. In Rolling Ridge News, meals can be picked up here at Rolling Ridge every day from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. En las noticias para hoy, las comidas pueden ser recogidas aquí en Rolling Ridge todos los días entre las 10 de la mañana y la 1 de la tarde. The weather today, el clima para hoy, is expected to be a little rainy with overcast skies. Será un poco lluvioso y nublado. You might need an umbrella. The high temperature, la alta temperatura, will be 47 degrees. Será 47 grados. The low temperature, la baja temperatura, will be 39 degrees. Será 39 grados. Don't forget your jackets. This month, we are learning about different careers. Join us in exploring a new career with our friend Jason. Hoy día vamos a explorar una nueva profesión con nuestro amigo Jason.
Hello, my name is Jason, and I was born in Honduras. I work here at Virginia Tire and Auto. At Virginia Tire and Auto, I am an automotive technician. I do automotive maintenance and repairs. I like working here because they offer hands-on training and outside training that allows me to grow in the field. My future goal is to better serve my community by getting the state inspection and emissions license. These licenses will allow keep the world clean by limiting the amount of pollution and Virginia safe by keeping vehicles safe on the road. At school, math and after-school programs like robotics really help me develop the skills I need for my job today. I enjoy what I do, and I hope one day you can find a job you can enjoy.
OGE.
Cool. But what did you think? Yeah, do you like cars? ¿Te gustan los carros? Do you like working with your hands? ¿Te gusta trabajar con las manos? Well then, one day you too can work in a shop like Jason. Un día tú también puedes trabajar en un taller con vehículos como Jason. Now, today's question is from Samaira in Miss Styles' class. She asked, what is your favorite bird? I don't really know a lot about birds, but I guess since I started working here, I really like roadrunners. That's a great answer. And hey, they're fast birds, and you can never go wrong with a little need for speed. Let's close today's program with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge, Bully Free starts with me. We are champs. We are family. We choose to spread positivity. Have a great day, Roadrunners. Adios.